Guys, welcome back to Ethical Briefs. So today we are looking at this related maths problem. We are having root 9 root x is equal to root 27 exponent x. Okay. So with this, before we start, let's express this down. 9, we can express 9 as 3 exponent 2. And also, we know that root a is equal to a exponent half. Okay, so our expression now becomes 3 exponent 2. Okay, root x, which is equal to, we have 27 exponent x into bracket exponent half. Okay, so with this we have 3 exponent 2 root x, which is equal to 27 exponent x on 2. Okay, and this 27 we can express it as 3 exponent 3. So we are having 3 exponent 2 root x is equal to 3 exponent 3 multiplied by x on 2. Okay, so we have 3 exponent 2 root x is equal to 3 exponent 3x on 2. Okay, now the bases are the same. They are having the same base, so we can equate the exponent. So you see that 2 with x is equal to 3x on 2. Okay, so with this, we multiply both sides by 2. So this one will give us 4 with x, which is equal to, this will cancel this, leaving 3x. Okay, so from here, we can also can square both sides again. So 4 squared is 16. Okay, then root x squared is x. Squared by x, which is equal to this one to give us 3 squared, which is 9. Then x squared is squared. Okay, so with this, we can say that 9x squared minus 16x is equal to 0. Okay, so we can factorize x out. So x into brackets 9x minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, so with this, x is equal to 0 as our first case. Then we have 9x minus 16 is equal to 0. So we have 9x is equal to 16. So our x is equal to 16 on 9. Okay, 16 on 9. So if we are checking, let's see whether the two answers of x satisfy the equation. Okay, so let's check when x is equal to 0. So we're having 9 with x is equal to root 27 exponent x. So when x is equal to 0, we're having 9 exponent 0, which is equal to root 27 exponent 0. Okay, 9 exponent 0 is 1, and 27 exponent 0 having root 1. A root 1 is 1, so you have 1 is equal to 1. Okay, then let's see when s is equal to 16 on 9. So it is, we have 9 root 16 on 9, which is equal to root 27 16 on 9. Okay, now 9 is point, root of 16 is 4, and root of 9 is 3. So 9 is point 4 on 3, which is equal to 27. We can express it as 3 exponent 3. Okay, multiply by 16 on 9. Okay, and don't forget 3 goes into 9 how many times? 3 times, okay? So now our equation becomes 9 exponent 4 on 3, which is equal to root 3 exponent 16 on 3, okay? Because of this goes here 3 times, okay? So now, don't forget 9, we can express this as 3 exponent 2, okay? Then exponent 4 on 3, which is equal to 3 exponent 16 on 3 into bracket half because of the square roots. So now we're having 3 exponents 2 times 4 is 8 on 3, which is equal to, now we are having 3 exponent 16 on 3 multiplying by 1 on 2, okay? So from here, 2 goes into 1, it goes here 8 times, okay? 2 times 8 is 16. So you are having 3 exponent 8 on 3, which is equal to 3 exponent 8 on 3, okay? So indeed, x is equal to 16 also satisfy the equation. So our solution, we have x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 16 on 9. Okay, so this is our solution for the question. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe for more triple questions. Be part of this lovely community. Thank you.